First we will note down all the given data. We are given with Sn equal to 3n square plus n, that is sum up to n terms of this AP. Now we are going to solve this question using this one formula, that is an equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Let us see with an example how did we arrive at this formula. For example, if I want to find sum up to first 3 terms of this AP, I can write it as S3 equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. Similarly, if I want to calculate sum up to first 4 terms of this AP, I can write it as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. If you carefully observe here, I can replace A1 plus A2 plus A3 in this equation with S3, because again this will give me same answer, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 is nothing but S3. Therefore, I can write it as S4 equal to S3 plus next term, that is A4. If you carefully see this equation now, it is nothing but S4 equal to S3 plus A4. Therefore, if I want to calculate A4 here, I can shift this S3 on the left hand side of this equal sign, that will give me S4 minus S3 equal to A4. Now if you can compare this equation, just we now arrived to this standard formula here, that is an equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. If I want to calculate nth term of an AP, suppose it is n here, then it should be Sn, then Sn minus 1. For example, it is A4 here, then it is S4 minus S4 minus 1, that is nothing but S3. This is how we can calculate nth term of an AP, that is nothing but, if I have to calculate 20th term in this given example, I need to have sum up to 20 terms and sum up to 19 terms. That we can calculate using this formula here. Therefore, now I can calculate 20th term of this AP using S20 minus S19 here. So we are going to calculate 20th term, that is A20, as S20 minus S19 using this formula given in the question, that is Sn equal to 3n square plus n. Therefore S20 can be written as 3 into 20 square plus 20, because I have replaced n with 20 here in order to calculate 20th sum up to 20 terms of this AP. Similarly, I can calculate sum up to 19 terms of this AP as 3 into 19 square plus 19, which will give me 1102. Now A20 can be written as S20 minus S19. Therefore S20 is 1220 minus S19 is 1102. Therefore this will give me 20th term of this AP as 118. Therefore correct answer is option C, 118.